Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What I've learned from history that man has never learned from history. That's why we keep repeating the same mistakes. Okay, before we go ahead, I have a good news for you. Basically, we are going to start this series, Millionaire Mindset, in which we'll talk about less talked strategies. We'll tell you why people fail. We'll tell you what your favorite motivational speakers don't tell you. We'll tell you psychological hacks, and we'll tell you so many interesting things. So make sure you subscribe this channel, because this channel will change your perception forever. After making a huge mistake, John said, "I'm sorry. I became arrogant. My past success caused me to believe that I could achieve anything." And this happens to most of us. After recent success, we overestimate our chances and we tend to make a mistake. Basically, we tend to overestimate our abilities, and this brings overconfidence. Now, overconfidence brings unreal expectations, and these unreal expectations might disappoint us. Under the influence of intense emotions, I promised my friend that I would buy Ferrari in 1 year without any business plan. I couldn't buy Ferrari, of course. Most of us want to be like our heroes without even realizing that all of us have different psychology, different circumstances, different situations, different thinking pattern, different day-to-day life's challenges. Try setting realistic goals. Of course, optimism is good, but when it comes to taking critical decisions, realism is better. Try understanding your own psychology, abilities, thinking patterns, situations, circumstances, and make your path accordingly. Do not overlook your faults or challenges on your way, and come out of your delusions. Let me tell you something really interesting. I was taking session at Taj Hotel. All of a sudden, there was bombardment of so many messages. Ton. Congratulations, sir. We have done it, sir. Congratulations, we have done it. I was thinking, what the heck has happened? Then the moment I reach office, everybody was shaking hands. Congratulations, sir. We have done it. What the hell? So finally I asked these people, for God's sake, tell me what the heck has happened. Sir, we have achieved the big milestone. Okay, what is the milestone? We have reached 1 lakh subscribers. 1 lakh subscribers. People have millions of subscribers on different YouTube channels, and you're over celebrating 1 lakh subscribers. Everybody has been sending me messages since morning because of 1 lakh subscribers. Okay, small achievement. Let's celebrate. But we can have a normal celebration. We can have pizza party. But they were asking for grand party. Let's go for outing. Let's have a grand party. What the hell are you talking about? That's what people do. During the weekdays, if they achieve something, during the weekends, they over-celebrate it. And they start their Mondays not being in senses. You know what I'm talking about. This over-celebration also brings us failure next time, because over-celebration also brings overconfidence. Make sure you be careful next time. If you achieve something, it's okay. Give yourself a pat on the back, have a small party, have small celebration if you want to, but do not over-celebrate. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you don't fail yourself after your recent success. Do not become the slave of your intense emotions. If you have something to say, do not forget to post the comment in the section below, and I'll see you again. Before I go, let me tell you about the book, Become Habitually Successful. As the name suggests, become habitually successful. Of course, you're going to be habitually successful. If you wish to buy it, check the link in the description below. Sayonara.